we sometimes get asked about weather. Now, we can't control the seas like Aquaman, but we do order great weather.
And jumping dolphins.
Beautiful beaches are what Florida and Gulf beach weddings are known for. It's probably why you booked a beach wedding in the first place. The beautiful sunsets, the gentle breeze, the relaxing waves during your wedding ceremony. Now, as a backup, we do recommend all couples have some sort of plan B in mind, just in case there's any inclement weather on your big day.
Actually, I heard it's good luck if it rains on your wedding day.
It is, and a little rain can also make for some incredible wedding pictures.
Oh, also rainbows happen in the rain.
Right. Many restaurants, reception venues, etc. have some type of backup option. This could be a pavilion, a courtyard, and can provide just enough cover if it does sprinkle. Again, this is a rare occurrence and is difficult to predict, but you do want to be prepared.
But I have my 10-day weather forecast right here.
Don't trust those. We won't have an accurate forecast until 24 hours before the wedding. But we do internally have inclement weather protocols. We actually use the most advanced radar systems available. This is the same information that pilots use to navigate weather.
Wow, sounds pretty fancy.
I know. I'm also a pilot, so you don't have to stress about what to do. But keep in mind, you will make the final call on your plan B if it looks like weather might occur. Rest assured, Gulf beach weddings will reach out in advance if we think inclement weather might impact your big day.
In other words, you'll be in good hands with our team.
We'll see you soon!
How'd you do that?